This is my dog Duck. About 10 times a day I'm forced to come over here because he's dropped his ball and he just stands. He just stands until somebody gets it for him. Jesus.
Luna, can I get an I love you? I wonder how,
We love you. We love you.
Girl, just wanna have fun with me. These girls ain't really no good for me. Yeah.
Runner died. Are you serious?
My dog ate a wild mushroom, and we just spent $140 for the vet to tell us she's high.
If that isn't cute. Is that your baby? Huh?
girl, get on down the slide. Oh, gotta get my feet together. Oh, my happens pretty fast.
Did you just try to eat me? Oh, you really did. Mom, you can't eat me.
The story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. No.
Hey, get your leash. Let's go. There's a lady outside with her pit bull, and she's talking shit. So I'm gonna get the mom, and you get her dog. You ready?
You got your toy. Little smile boy with your toy. That's your toy.
Can you protect me more quietly? Thank you.
Come on, inside. You wanna come in? Get back here. Aren't you supposed to do something?
Look, Penelope. Look, there is nobody out here. Nobody. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look over here. There's nobody. Look over here. There's nobody.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
I love you. I love you.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Do it. Do it.
Pete.
Kai.
No.
Come.
No. Luna, can I get an I love you?
No.
Can I pick that dog?
No.
Can I pick that dog?
No, he's
Can I pick that dog?
Turn off my door. Get it off my door.
He trying to spoon. My fault, bro. My fault, bro.
Documents were in place. Buford, you listen? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and
Give me. Let me take it off. Let me take it off. Take a bite of it.
so this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. Oh, you can't have it. Sit down. No, you can't have it. Nope. Nope. Oh.
Runner died. Are you serious?
She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
It looks so cute.
Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi. A-do-do-do-lee-do. A-do-do-do-lee-do. Come on, Tony.
One day you're gonna wake up and roll over next to somebody that's completely obsessed with you.
Are you going to school? Are you going to school today? Oh my gosh! Go get on! It's school day!
You haven't even had this toy for an hour.
Well, the other one's the son of James McIntyre. Gordon Marco? Bravo.
Chicos?
Can you show me your booty?
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh! There's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on! Come on, come on, come on! Yes! I'm kidding! Man, you on the playground?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I want to take him home. Baby, can we get him?
Part 2.
She. Oh.
Aren't you supposed to do something?
No. Can I pick that dog?
No.
Can I pick that dog?
No, he's
Can I pick that dog?
Hey, we have a friend. Oh, he took the cheese.
3, 2, 1. Cheese.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it.
Lorna.
Mercedes, show everyone how you smile.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
Get your paw off the table. Get your paw. Get your paw off the table.
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died.
Would you like a treat?
Hey, bro, look at me. Look at me. Hey, turn around. Look at me. This how you be walking. Look at me. Look at me. You be walking like this. Look. Hey, don't be getting mad at me because that's how you be walking. Shoot. Hey, look.